This is Piers Morgan Live.
We are tickled to death with what happened in the Supreme Court today. It is a victory for all these people in California that wish to get married to the person that they love. This is what we set out to do when we first took this case, and this is what happened today in the Supreme Court of the United States, the vindication of the rights to these individuals to be treated with dignity and respect and equality. We could not be happier.
And I think it's worth pointing out.
Are you disappointed? If I can just, let me rephrase the question. If I can just rephrase the question. Are you frustrated, though, despite this success, that what we didn't get today from the Supreme Court was a decision on a homosexual's constitutional right to get married in America?
Well, what you did get was a decision that I think lays the groundwork for decisions all across the country that will establish marriage equality in every one of the 50 states. Now, what happened in the case that we brought in California is that because the governor and the attorney general did not appeal that decision, the Supreme Court did not have jurisdiction to decide the case on the merits. But what the court did was vacate the appeal, and that brought back into effect the district court's decision. And the district court's decision does establish that broad civil right for all Americans under the Constitution to marry the person that they love. And if you just hear the people around here, you'll understand how they are interpreting today's victory.
Ted Olson, I was struck by one comment today from Cardinal Timothy Dolan, who said, and I quote directly, "It's a tragic day for marriage and our nation." I mean, to me, a tragic day for America is 9/11, Pearl Harbor. It's not the day the Supreme Court says that two men or two women who love each other can get married. What is your reaction to what Cardinal Dolan said?
My reaction is the same as that, and I want to amplify what David said. 4 years ago, when we brought this case, we wanted to overturn Proposition 8. And that's what happened today. And what we're talking about is people who love one another, who want to be together. And if everybody in America could stand where David and I are standing now and looking at the people and the happiness in their faces and their eyes that they can now be treated equally with the rest of their citizens in California, and this will spread like wildfire all over the United States. Today was an unequivocal victory for gay and lesbian individuals and for all Americans who strive for equality and dignity and the American dream. We are so happy that this came out the way it did.